Our single name stamp is a quick and easy way to add a name directly onto clothing. Make sure the garment is clean, completely dry and laid flat on a firm surface. Position the stamp where you would like the name to appear, then press down firmly and evenly. Try not to rock or move the stamp too much, as this can blur the print. Allow the ink to dry fully before handling the garment, and leave it for at least 24 hours before washing. For the clearest result, we recommend testing the stamp first on a piece of paper or an old garment. It works best on smooth, absorbent fabrics and may be less visible on very dark or heavily textured materials. To remove or change the ink pad, turn the stamp over and gently squeeze it halfway down. This gives you access to the pad. Using your finger and thumb, grip the small teeth on either side of the ink pad and pull it away from the stamp. Place the ink pad upright on a flat surface and fit the supplied cap over it to prevent the ink from drying out or marking other surfaces. To replace the ink pad, simply reverse the process. Keep the stamp pressed halfway down, slide the pad back into position, then release the stamp. And that's it! Your clothing can be clearly named in just a few seconds.